If you're in the market for an SUV in 2026, there's one thing you absolutely cannot ignore: reliability. Because let's be honest, nothing kills the joy of owning a car faster than constant trips to the mechanic, expensive repairs, or electronics that fail just when you need them most. And when it comes to SUVs, which we all know can carry the weight of the family, gear, and weekend adventures, choosing the wrong one can cost you thousands over the years. So today, we're counting down the top 5 most reliable SUVs for 2026. The ones that will keep you driving smoothly, save you headaches, and maybe even make your neighbors a little jealous. These aren't just based on brand reputation. We're talking real-world durability, maintenance costs, reliability ratings, and owner satisfaction. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, we have the Toyota Highlander. Now, Toyota doesn't get the hype it used to for being flashy, but when it comes to reliability, it's almost untouchable. The 2026 Highlander builds on a decade-long track record of engines and transmissions that refuse to quit. Owners consistently report hitting over 200,000 miles without major issues. What makes the Highlander so dependable? It's the simplicity. Toyota doesn't overcomplicate things with unnecessary tech that can break. Instead, they focus on durable materials, proven hybrid options, and a suspension that handles both city streets and rough back roads. And for families, the cabin is spacious, practical, and well-designed. Everything you need without cutting corners. But here's the kicker. The 2026 Highlander also comes in a hybrid model that doesn't just save you fuel, it's proven to have minimal maintenance costs. Imagine owning an SUV that gives you 36 to 38 miles per gallon while still offering 3 rows of seating, a smooth ride, and legendary Toyota longevity. That's why it earns its spot on the list. Moving to number 4, it's the Lexus RX 350. Lexus, as we all know, is Toyota's luxury sibling, and they've mastered the art of combining reliability with upscale features. The 2026 RX 350 isn't just a safe bet. It's a refined, smooth, tech-rich SUV that almost never breaks down. Owners rave about the quiet, plush interior, the silky smooth 3.5-liter V6, and the long-term durability. Lexus has a reputation for creating SUVs that can easily cross the 300,000-mile mark with minimal repairs. And here's something enthusiasts love. While it's luxury, it doesn't suffer from the same depreciation headaches as many other premium SUVs. You get comfort, reliability, and value retention all in one package. The RX 350 also has a strong hybrid option for 2026, giving you that extra fuel efficiency without compromising power. And unlike some luxury SUVs, Lexus keeps its tech user-friendly and intuitive, so you're not constantly troubleshooting infotainment glitches. The result? An SUV that feels premium, drives beautifully, and won't make you regret the purchase in 5 years. At number 3, the Honda CR-V secures its spot. The CR-V has been a favorite for decades, and for good reason. It's affordable, practical, and over the years, Honda has perfected the balance between performance, comfort, and longevity. The 2026 CR-V continues that tradition with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that's smooth, efficient, and extremely durable. Honda's engineering focus is on reliability, minimal moving parts that are prone to failure, a robust chassis, and electronics that just work. Owners consistently report CR-Vs running trouble-free past 250,000 miles, which is rare in today's SUV market. And let's not forget the interior. The 2026 CR-V has a surprisingly refined cabin with high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and enough tech to satisfy modern buyers without overwhelming them. Plus, Honda's excellent safety suite comes standard, keeping your family protected while maintaining the brand's reliability track record. For buyers who want a stress-free, long-lasting SUV that's also practical and fun to drive, the CR-V is tough to beat. Number 2 is the Mazda CX-5. Now, Mazda has quietly become one of the most respected names in the automotive world. They've mastered the art of blending driving excitement with long-term reliability, and the 2026 CX-5 proves it. What makes the CX-5 stand out is that it doesn't feel like a typical reliability-first vehicle. The 2.5-liter engine is smooth, responsive, and incredibly durable, while the chassis delivers driving dynamics that make commuting or weekend trips genuinely enjoyable. Mazda also pays attention to build quality. The interior is upscale, the materials feel premium, and the infotainment system is straightforward. No complicated software headaches here. Reliability-wise, the CX-5 consistently scores high in JD Power and Consumer Reports rankings. Owners report low maintenance costs and minimal unexpected repairs. And with Mazda's Skyactiv technology, fuel efficiency is excellent without sacrificing power. If you want a reliable SUV that's fun to drive, practical, and beautiful, the 2026 CX-5 is hard to ignore. Finally, at number 1, the undisputed king of reliability in 2026 SUVs is the Toyota 4Runner. This is not just a daily driver. The 4Runner is a legend among SUVs. It has been around for decades, and it has built a reputation as almost indestructible.
Why is the 4Runner so reliable? For starters, it uses a tried-and-true body-on-frame design, robust V6 engine, and a drivetrain built for off-road abuse. It's the SUV you see with 300,000 miles climbing mountains, towing trailers, and still running like new. The 2026 model continues that legacy, combining rugged capability with modern tech upgrades. The 4Runner is also incredibly versatile. Whether you're a weekend adventurer, a family hauling gear, or someone who wants a vehicle that lasts a lifetime, it ticks every box. Toyota didn't overcomplicate things with gimmicky electronics. Instead, they focused on what matters: a durable frame, reliable engine, solid suspension, and an interior that can take wear and tear without falling apart. Owners love the resale value too. Unlike many SUVs that drop 30 to 50% in value within a few years, the 4Runner holds its value exceptionally well. It's not flashy, it's not the fastest, but in terms of reliability and long-term ownership, nothing beats it. So there you have it, the top 5 most reliable SUVs for 2026: the Toyota Highlander, Lexus RX 350, Honda CR-V, Mazda CX-5, and Toyota 4Runner. Each of these vehicles has proven itself through decades of engineering excellence, real-world owner feedback, and rigorous reliability testing. But here's the key takeaway for enthusiasts like you. Reliability isn't just about avoiding repairs. It's about peace of mind. It's about knowing that the SUV you choose will carry your family safely, handle adventures, and maintain value without turning into a financial headache. These top 5 SUVs accomplish that, and they do it while still offering style, comfort, and performance that make driving enjoyable. If you're shopping for a new SUV in 2026, focus on the long game. Look for vehicles with strong track records, low maintenance costs, and a reputation for longevity. And while these 5 SUVs are the best in terms of reliability, remember that regular maintenance, proper care, and responsible driving will maximize the life of any vehicle you choose. So, which SUV is your favorite? Are you Team Toyota 4Runner for that indestructible ruggedness? Or do you prefer the refined comfort of a Lexus RX 350? Maybe the Honda CR-V's practicality or the Mazda CX-5's driving fun wins your heart. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear which SUV you think will dominate 2026 when it comes to reliability. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already for more insider insights, car breakdowns, and everything automotive that keeps you ahead of the game. These are the SUVs that are worth your money, your time, and your trust. So make the smart choice and drive worry-free in 2026. Because at the end of the day, owning a reliable SUV isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about confidence, freedom, and knowing that no matter where the road takes you, your SUV will never let you down.